Say you're flying on a Qantas Boeing 717. Fasten your seatbelt by turning the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. Seatbelt by lifting the flap. Have your seatbelt down low and tight during takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. While seated at other times, we require that you keep your seatbelt fastened. In the unlikely event of an emergency, it is important you are familiar with the brace position appropriate to your seat. If you can reach the seat in front of you, face by folding your arms to the back of the seat in front and rest your forehead on your arms. If you can't reach the seat in front, put your head on your knees and lean as far forward as you can, holding onto your legs. Keep your feet firmly on the floor to prevent them from moving forward. Take a moment now to check where the nearest exits are on this aircraft as the cabin crew point them out. Be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. A good way of remembering your nearest exit is to count the number of rows between you and that exit. Our cabin crew are pointing out floor lighting that will illuminate in darkness, showing a path to the exit. All exits are indicated by an exit sign. This aircraft is a bit of an escape flight, so crew will operate in an emergency. If we do have to evacuate, you must leave all items carried onto the aircraft behind. A loss of oxygen at altitude may lead to a loss of consciousness. If emergency oxygen is required, a mask will drop from above you. Pull down on it firmly to activate the flow of oxygen. Put it on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating, and once you're breathing normally, it's okay to help others. Make sure you're familiar with the location